Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, artificial intelligence. But we're not just talking about cool tech. We're talking about how you can actually use AI to make money right now. It might sound like science fiction, but I promise, the opportunities are real, accessible, and you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. In this video, I'm going to break down several practical methods, step by step, showing you exactly how you can turn these powerful tools into a new income stream. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's explore how you can start your AI money-making journey today. First up, let's talk about content creation. This is one of the most immediate and versatile ways to leverage AI. Think about it. Every business, creator, and brand needs content. Blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, emails, the list is endless. This is where AI writing assistants like Jasper or ChatGPT come in. You can offer services as a freelance writer or a social media manager, but with a secret weapon. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use AI to generate ideas, outlines, and even first drafts in seconds. Your job then becomes refining, editing, and adding that essential human touch to ensure the content is high quality, engaging, and perfectly tailored to your client's brand voice. You're not just a writer. You're an AI-powered content strategist, delivering high-quality work faster than ever before. This allows you to take on more clients and significantly increase your earning potential without burning out. Let's get practical. Imagine a local business wants to start a blog to attract more customers, but they don't have the time or skills. You can pitch them a content package. Using an AI tool, you can ask it to generate 10 blog post ideas about landscaping tips for small backyards. From there, you pick the best one and ask the AI to create a detailed outline. Then, you can have it write each section. Your role is to fact-check, inject personality, optimize it for search engines with relevant keywords, and make sure it sounds like it came from a human expert. You could charge a few $100s per month for a package of 4 blog posts. For you, this might only take a few hours of work thanks to your AI assistant. It's a win-win. The client gets valuable content, and you get a recurring, scalable income stream. Moving on from writing, let's talk about the visual side of things, AI art and graphic design. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 2 have opened up a whole new world for creators. You can generate stunning, unique images from simple text prompts. So how do you monetize this? One popular way is by selling print-on-demand products. You can create a series of beautiful, cohesive designs, maybe fantasy landscapes, abstract patterns, or cute animals, and upload them to platforms like Printify or Redbubble. These platforms will handle printing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases, and they'll also manage the shipping. Every time someone buys a product with your AI-generated art, you earn a royalty. The best part? Once you've created and uploaded the design, it becomes a source of passive income. But it's not just about t-shirts. You can also offer your services as an AI artist for specific projects. Think about authors who need book covers, musicians who need album art, or businesses that need unique graphics for their websites and social media campaigns. You can create a portfolio showcasing the incredible images you can generate and market yourself as a go-to source for custom AI visuals. You're not just selling a picture, you're selling a vision. You can work with the client to refine prompts until you create the perfect image that captures the essence of their project. This is a high-value skill because it combines technical ability with creative direction, and people are willing to pay a premium for that unique combination. Okay, let's switch gears to another huge area, video. AI is revolutionizing video creation and editing. Tools like Descript allow you to edit video footage just by editing a text transcript. It's incredible. It can also automatically remove filler words like and This dramatically speeds up the editing process. You could offer video editing services to YouTubers, course creators, or businesses that produce video content. By using AI tools, you can deliver professionally edited videos in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional software, allowing you to charge competitive rates while still being highly profitable. Furthermore, there are AI tools like Synthesia or Heigen that can create videos with AI avatars. You provide the script, and the realistic avatar will read it aloud. This is perfect for creating corporate training videos, explicable videos, or marketing content, especially for companies that don't want to hire actors or deal with complex filming setups. You could start a service creating these AI-powered videos for businesses. You handle the script writing, perhaps using another AI tool, generate the video, and deliver a finished product. It's a full-service digital media agency in a box. Powered by AI. This is a cutting-edge field, and getting in now means you can establish yourself as an expert before it becomes saturated. Now, for those of you who are a bit more analytical, let's talk about data. Every business runs on data, but most small businesses don't know how to make sense of it. AI tools can analyze customer data, sales trends, and market reports to provide actionable insights. You can position yourself as a freelance AI data consultant. You don't need to be a data scientist with a PhD. You can use user-friendly AI platforms to help businesses understand who their best customers are, when the best time to run a promotion is, or which products are underperforming. You're essentially translating complex data into simple, profitable business strategies for your clients. This is an incredibly valuable service because you are directly helping businesses increase their profits, making it an easy sell. Let's break that down. Imagine you're working with an e-commerce store. You could use an AI tool to analyze their sales data from the past year. The AI might identify that a specific group of customers who buy one product are highly likely to buy another within 30 days. You can then present this insight to the business owner and suggest they create a targeted email campaign for that customer segment. When they see a spike in sales as a result of your recommendation, they'll see the immediate return on their investment in your services. You can charge a monthly retainer for ongoing analysis and strategic advice, creating a stable and high-value income. Finally, let's talk about building and selling simple AI-powered tools yourself. This might sound intimidating, but it's more accessible than you think. Platforms like VoiceFlow allow you to build custom AI chatbots for websites without writing a single line of code. You can create a chatbot for a local dentist's office to help patients book appointments, or for an online store to answer frequently asked questions about shipping. You build it once, and you can sell it to multiple businesses in the same industry. Another idea is to use no-code platforms to create simple niche AI applications. For example, you could build a tool that generates social media post ideas specifically for real estate agents. By focusing on a specific niche and solving a real problem, you can create a valuable product that generates recurring revenue. The key to success with any of these methods is to stop thinking of AI as a magic button and start thinking of it as a powerful collaborator. It's a tool that amplifies your own skills and creativity. The real value comes from your ability to guide the AI, to curate its output, and to add that final layer of human strategy, empathy, and polish. Start small. Pick one area that interests you and master the relevant tools. Create a portfolio, start reaching out to potential clients, and show them the value you can provide. The world of AI is moving fast, and those who learn to harness its power today will be the ones shaping the future and profiting from it. Don't be afraid to experiment, to learn, and to start building your AI-powered business. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some concrete ideas and the inspiration to get started. The opportunities are out there, waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions or have already started making money with AI, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.